Hi, my name is Marilyn, and today we'll be unboxing the HPE Aruba Networking AP-503. If you find this video useful, please click like and subscribe to stay up to date with all the latest content. The AP-503 is an affordable indoor Wi-Fi 6 access point from the HPE Aruba Enterprise networking range. Let's get straight to the unboxing. Here you have your installation, configuration and safety guide, compliance and warranty documentation, and the startup guide. AP-503 being the entry-level dual radio 2x2 model is very compact and light, weighing in at only 270 grams. We will have a close look at the AP later. At the bottom of the box, you will find a T-bar mounting clip. This clip supports installation on standard 14mm and 24mm rails. Please note that no bracket for flat surface installation is included. It needs to be ordered separately if required. We will cover additional mounting options towards the end of this video. There is nothing else in the box. Now let's have a closer look at the AP itself. On the front, you can see the removable sticker with your serial number and MAC address. At the bottom, there are two LED status lights, indicating system status and the radio status. On the top, there is a USB port which can be used to connect downstream devices like a Zigbee or BLE dongle. On the back, you will find a micro USB console port. You will need to order a separate proprietary console cable in order to use it. Right next to it is the reset button. You will need a pin to reach it if you ever need to use it. There is a single Ethernet port recessed on the side, making it possible to mount the unit more flush with the ceiling. Please note that this AP does not come with a power socket and can only be powered through the Ethernet port using either a PoE switch or a PoE injector, which needs to be ordered separately. And over here you have a Kensington lock socket. As you've probably already noticed, AP-503 does not share the mounting kit options with the rest of Aruba 500 and 600 series indoor access points. We will use the rest of this video to cover the most commonly used mounting options for your reference. Please note that the subsequent mounting hardware options are not included with AP-503 but need to be purchased separately. W1 and W1W mounts, commonly referred to as the spider mounts, are the most popular option for mounting AP-503 onto flat surfaces. They are simple to install using the range of pre-drilled holes and come in black or white colors, so you can match it to your background. The AP is easily secured by aligning with the mount and rotating clockwise. To release, squeeze the clips inwards and rotate anti-clockwise. W1 mounts are quite bulky and provide for ample space between the AP and the mounting surface, which may not suit the aesthetics in certain environments. This is where W4 mount, with its low profile and small footprint, can be used. It also comes with a variety of pre-drilled holes for easy installation, and it attaches to the AP in exactly the same manner. But the result is an installation a lot more flush with the ceiling, and no mounting kit is visible. And there you have it. For more information, check out the library on our website via the link in the description below. If you found the video useful, please click like and subscribe to stay up to date with all the latest content. Thank you for watching!